In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Canon Pixma G620 Mega Tank printer. Go to the printer display panel. On the display panel, we can see the paper jam and also displays the error 1300. To fix the paper jam, lift this section and you can see there is a paper stuck inside. So we can take it out. You can tear it off from this side just to make sure like it comes out nicely. And take it out, and from this side you can take the front portion out. Close it. On the main screen, press OK, and this should fix the paper jam. Thanks for watching.